Hey y'all, it's Taylor with the A and I'm back and I'm better like never before. And today's video is this half up, half down quick weave. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you continue watching, I just want you all to watch me do my hair with me. I'll end up only using 3 of these mini BreezyWave bundles from the Beauty Supply in the color 2. And it was only $11.99. So if you guys want to see how I did this, just keep on watching and make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, because we running it up and I want to keep up the momentum. Okay, so yeah, if y'all want to get this look, just keep on watching. So this is how much hair I need. Some lotion. This is how much hair I took out of the frontal, but she's looking good. Wow, this is, I'm really like in a rush. I'm trying to take my baby to a Bulls game, but I don't know how that's gonna go. So glue them. Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna glue it in the back, and then I'm gonna leave out the space for my frontal. Put my frontal on, and then, you know, we're gonna be lit from there. Tried to get the number 2 hair because this frontal is like a light brown, but listen, it ain't that dark. I mean, it ain't that light. Y'all know how long it's been since I had to use a elastic band. Like, I miss it. To get back in motherfucker. Okay, I done pressed this out a little bit, but I can't put this in a ponytail in front of the camera. I really wish I was a magician, but I can't. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom, put this up, and I'll be back to start on the ponytail, okay? Okay, so I made like a little ball. I'm gonna go in the bathroom because this video is getting too long. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and glue this and wrap it around my nub. Y'all know how this go. Sorry, I got this plan. Y'all know how this shit go. Come on now. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna be back. Long time coming, but I got the ponytail down. Her name is like Latonya or something like that. I don't know, but I seen this little trick from her, so I'm gonna try it. What she do is curl like normal, but then she uses an eyebrow razor to like make it shorter. So let's see, where is my fucking scissors? I feel like the front is still too thick. Super cute. And I wasn't even filming doing that, but super cute. So let me do the other side and I'll be right back. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoy watching me do my hair. Y'all know I'm always changing my hair, so I hope y'all love it. Let me know in the comments how you think I did. Yeah, this is not much to say. So far so good. I love this hair. I love it so bad. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good. And I'll definitely see you all in the next video.